Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In the previous sessions, we had discussed the procedure of insertion into red block trees and one example of red block tree insertion. Now consider one more example. Insert these elements into red block tree. Okay, first insert 15. Generally, the node to be inserted is colored with red node. So 15. The tree is empty, 15 is the only node and 15 becomes the root. But according to red block tree, the root node is always colored with black. So this is the 15. Remember, each and every leaf node contains some external nodes. External nodes are null nodes. All the null nodes are represented in square brackets, general notation, and they are colored with black. Next, insert 14. Insert 14. 15. 14 is the left child. 14 is left child. So no problem. Next, insert 13. 15. 14. 13. Remember, even though we are writing or not writing, every leaf node contains some external node. After insertion of 13, we have two consecutive red nodes. It violates the property of red block tree. Whenever it violates the property, check the color of uncle node. For 13, the parent is 14. The parent is 14 and the uncle node is this one. Uncle node is, that is, we have no uncle node. Automatically we have an external or null node. The color of uncle node is black. For 13, this is the uncle node and the color of uncle node is black. We have to perform rotation. If the color of uncle node is red, we are performing recolor operation. So we have to perform rotation. In which case, so this is the left child and this is also left child. Generally observing, this is this case. Perform right rotation. After performing right rotation, the tree becomes this one. Remember, in this rotation, if you are using either left of left, right of right, single rotations. In single rotations, after rotation, change the color of parent and grandparent. Change the color of parent and grandparent. Initially, parent color is red, converted into black. Grandparent is 15, black, converted into red. This is the tree. Okay. Now insert 12. 14, 13, 15. This is the position of 12. This is the position of 12. Again, we have two consecutive red nodes, 13 and 12, and check the uncle node color. Here the uncle node is 15. 15 is colored with red. 15 is colored with red. So perform recolor operation. Recolor operation means change the color of their parent level and grandparent level. So their parent level, suppose these are the elements. Okay, the parent levels are red. So changed into color black. So 14 is black. Initially 14 is black. I am converted into red. Okay, that is true. But according to red block tree, the root node is always colored with black. That's why I again colored with black. So remember, for simplicity purpose, double circle is used for black notation. Single circle is used for red notation. Okay, this is insert 11, 14, 13, 15, 12, 11. This is the position of 11. This is the position of 11. Again, we have two consecutive red nodes. This is the uncle node. The uncle node color is black. What we have to do? Perform rotation operation. After rotation 14, 12, 11, 13, 15. What we have to do? After rotation, change the color of parent and grandparent. So parent is 12. 12 is previously colored with red. Now converted into black. 13 is colored with black, converted into red. Okay, simple case. If you are using single rotation, change the color of parent and grandparent. So 11 is completed. Now insert 10. Insert 10. 14, 12, 15, 11, 13, 10. So we have again two consecutive red nodes, and the uncle node is 13 and the color of uncle node is red. What we have to do? If the uncle node color is red, perform recolor operation. After recoloring, 14, 12, 15, 11, 13, 10. So how to recolor? Change the color of their parents. The parents are parent level 11 to 13 all red colors, converted into black color. The grandparent 12 is black color, converted into red color. Converted into red color. This is insertion of 10. Now insert 9. Insert 9. 14, 12, 11, 10, 9, for 12, 13. So again two consecutive red nodes, and the color of 11 is, that is the color of uncle node is black color. What we have to do? Perform rotation operation. After performing rotation, 14, 12, 15. After performing rotation, 10 is the root, 9, 11, this 13 is as it is. Okay, what do you do? Change the color of 10 and 11. 10 is previously red, now colored with black. 11 is black and colored with red. This is the tree after inserting 9. After inserting 9. Now insert 8. Now insert 8. After inserting 8, 14, 12, 15, 10, 9, 11, and 13 and 8. Okay, again 9 and 8, two consecutive red nodes. Uncle node is red node. What we have to do? Uncle node is red node, change the color. So after changing the colors, 14, 12, 15. Okay, change the color up to this level only. This is the parent, this is the grandparent, this is the uncle node. 10 is actually black, so change it into red node. 9 is red node, change it into black. 11 is red, change it into black, and 8. Okay, so after each step, remember, after each step, check the tree satisfies the red block or not. Observe this one. Suppose 12. Observe this one. Here again 10 and 12, two consecutive red nodes are occurred. For 10 and 12, we have two consecutive red nodes. So these are the what we have to do. And this node violates the property. We have two consecutives. The uncle node is this one. Uncle node is this one for 10, because 10 parent is 12, 12 parent is 14. 12 and 15 are siblings. The parent sibling is called uncle node. Uncle node is black color, and this is the case left of left. Perform right rotation. After performing right rotation, what it will do? 12, 10, 14, 15, 9, 10 right child is 11, 8, and 13 is at this position. See this one. After performing rotation, here 9, 11 does not change. The color of 12 and 14 changed. So 13 does not change, 15 does not change. It only changes the color of, after rotation, the color of parent and grandparent. Parent is 12. Initially it is red, converted into black. Grandparent is 14. Grandparent is 14. It is black. Now it is converted into red. This is the insertion of 8. Insertion of 8. Okay. See this one. If you are using black rotation, if the uncle node is black, change the color of parent node and the grandparent node in single rotation. If you are using double rotations, change the color of grandparent and the inserted node. Change the color of grandparent and the inserted node. We does not perform any operation, that is any recoloring on uncle node. If the uncle node is black color. Suppose if the uncle node is in red color, we have to change the color of both uncle node and parent node and the grandparent node. That is in red only we are changing the uncle color. If the uncle node is black color, we does not perform any modification. Why? Because if the uncle node is black color, if we perform recolor operation, the black height changes. There is a chance for changing of the black height. Okay. Now insert 17. Insert up to 8 is completed. Now insert 7 in the tree. 12, 10, 14, 13. This is the position of 7. Again see this one. Again we have two red nodes. This is uncle node. Uncle node is the black color. Then what we have to do? We have to perform rotation operation. After performing rotation, 10, 14, this part does not change. Okay, for 10 the right child is 11, it is also does not change. After performing rotation, the left child is this 8, 7, 9. Change the color of 8 and 9. 8 is converted into black, 9 is converted into red. 9 is converted into red. This is the tree we are getting. Now insert 6. Insert 6. 12, 10, 14, 8, 11, okay. Again it violates the property, two consecutive red nodes. Two consecutive red nodes and the uncle node is colored with red. So what you have to do? Perform recolor operation. Change the color of parents and grandparent. 12, 10, 14, okay, 8, 11. Here we are considering only this part. Remember, we are considering only this part. 8 is initially black color, converted into red. 8, 9 is red color, converted into black. 7 is red, converted into black. 6. Now observe, again we have violates the property 8 and 10. So for this we have to consider this part only. 8, 10 is the parent, 12 is the grandparent, 14 is the uncle node. Uncle node is colored with red. So perform recolor operation. After performing recolor operation, what are the colors changed? 12, 10, 14, 8, 11. See this one. For the 8, 10 is the red color, converted into black color. 14 is the red color, converted into black color. 14 is the red color, converted into black color. 12 is the black color, converted into root. Okay. But 12 is the root node. So again it is converted into black color. This is the final red block tree. This is the final red block tree. So only case is check the color of uncle node. Check the color of uncle node. If the uncle node color is either red or black. If the uncle node color is red, perform recolor operation. If the uncle node color is black, perform rotation operation. So in rotation operation, if you are using single rotation, that is a left of left and right of right case. If you are using single rotation, after rotation, change the color of parent and grandparent. Change the color of parent and grandparent. Suppose in LR or RL relation, remember only parent and grandparent. In LR RL rotation, that is double rotations, change the color of after rotation. After double rotation, change the color of grandparent and the inserted node. Grandparent and the inserted node. Okay, but in red color, suppose if the color of uncle node is red, in any of the case, that is in either for the cases, we have changed the color of grandparent and parent and uncle. So change the color of grandparent, parent and uncle. Okay, observe this tree. This tree satisfies the entire property. The root node is colored with black and no two consecutive red nodes, and we have all external nodes are colored with black. Observe the black height. In any path, what is the black height? Suppose 1, 2, 3. The black height in this path is 3, including the null node. Suppose in this path 1, 2, 3. In any path, the black height is same. If the black height is same is, sorry, for 14, this is the final tree. For 14, 13, 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Black height is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Black height is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In any path, the black height is 4. That is the number of black nodes from the root to any path contains equal number of black nodes. This is the final red block tree. Thank you.